In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to install the XMOS XTC Tools extension in VS Code. To start with, open VS Code, then navigate to the Extensions and Marketplace tab in the side panel. In the search bar that appears, type in XMOS, and you'll see the XMOS XTC Tools extension listed in the results. Simply press Install, and if you see a pop-up asking you if you trust the publisher, press Trust. After a short moment, you'll see the XMOS logo appear in the side tab. Clicking this will reveal the main view for our extension. If you don't already have the command line XTC Tools installed, click this button here saying Download XTC Tools to be redirected to our website. If you do, you can use the Select XTC Tools button to choose the active installation. If you've installed the tools to a standard location, you should see them listed here. But if you don't, or you're on Linux, you can browse for the exact path to the XTC Tools installation. Once you have selected the version you want to use, for the moment we only support 15.3.1, you can click that and see it become the active installation in the left-hand side.